it's James. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing another project I've been working on, the AI LinkedIn Job Matcher. So what is the problem I'm trying to solve? So I'm currently working as an automation engineer, but I'm looking for a change for some more exciting work. So recently I've been applying to many jobs around Sydney. And for example, I've looked up Python engineer, but I find LinkedIn always gives you very irrelevant results to your search, as well as it's hard to know which ones your experience matches or you're qualified for, and the ones where I don't have the relevant experience. Like for example, this one here, the quality assurance engineer. It's not really what I'm looking for, and it's come up as the top result for my search. So it'd be better if there were a way that I could filter all of these out. So the solution, well, I didn't want to get LinkedIn Premium because that's pretty expensive. So instead I decided to write a tool myself. So my tool, the AI LinkedIn Job Matcher I've dubbed it, helps find the most relevant LinkedIn job postings using scraping and also a combination of ChatGPT to do the analysis. It scores each job out of 100 on how good of a match it thinks the job description is to your resume. Then it returns all the data ordered by the highest match first, so you can easily look through the jobs. So now into the tool. So it takes in 4 parameters, takes in a search term. So here you can just put your job role, or if you want, you can do a combination of job roles, like separated like this. Just put a big or statement. Also, if you just want to, do a broad search and not look for a particular role, you can also just like type jobs. And so we're just going to stick with Python engineer for now. Then you just put in the location. So just put your general area in here. In this case, we're doing Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. Then in the resume input, you just copy and paste your resume text into this. I suggest you remove like any personal information you have in there, just because it is going to ChatGPT, so that would just be the only thing. And for the max results, this is just how many jobs it will search through, or the absolute max. So not necessarily 100, it might only find 30. That's just because there was only 30 jobs. And for the 4th column, we put in the OpenAI API key. So here, to get this, there will be a link in the description as well on how to do this. It only takes, a few minutes. You don't need to know how to code or anything like that. So you can find it in the description below. And also in the information tab, that tutorial is there as well. Then all you have to do is hit start. And because it's doing the AI analysis and scraping as well, it does take a little bit of time to run, usually a few minutes or so. So just take this time to go have a break and have a coffee or something. So once it's done, it took about 1 minute. You get a list of all the jobs that it found. In this case, it found 30. So it'll mention the role, the rank, the score. So this score is what ChatGPT actually gave it. The date it was listed, the description, the link to that job posting, the location, and as well as the organization or company that the job listing is from. So we could see that we're not getting this QA engineer as the top result now. We're getting something a bit more relevant to my search, which was Python engineer. and it thinks we have a 75% match to this Python software engineer job working at Macquarie Group, which is a bank. So let's take a look. So this job here seems like much more of a fit for me. So now I can just go ahead and apply as normal. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you found it interesting, I'll leave it linked below. And if you guys have any ideas for scrapers that I could build, just comment them below and I can try and make them in a future video. Other than that, thanks guys, see you in the next one.